Abilio magodano apa man guchiar kajemo chokat moko chek melo man pilokom chamchani gamente melobo Uganda. Watiki report man matut pin iyup melo ngemo chwin.
At least the one thing for now we can all agree on is the soap to use. He likes that it's big and lasts long.
Anti-economy.
I like that it keeps my skin smooth. Ate alina echovu. And the children like that. It smells amazing. Everyone is happy. Movit soap comes in 4 fantastic flavors. Movit family soap is truly soap for the whole family.
Movit. All day confidence.
Abilio magodano makara pa pijemo ikimecherat moko chek melobo Uganda tini chiario. Fonyo loko malagala mekom ti juoko keng kwan kidong benwa kwan protein kwan mapol magikwano ya Watch Primary School Matigulu District.
We want the youth who are socially left behind, like youth with disabilities, to easily access this information at the same level as other youth.
Afoyorini, Doramori Mateka Mira Julika na yup melorange mo chunyi chenrio matini and piru adek medremia biro. Mwaka ali bedo piru angwen anya Sunday akumo itika na nolorange mo chunyi iwanlu television. Abili kilugwa kujmoke na magiti Kampala guma kodan makara pa yup mo berutie mejemo choker moko chik melobu Uganda igin mauti mechi ario tini yodiko telek rucho berutie malieti yodiko kar makono bila maguruma mako chiko chaka makodana pa makaro kono moko berka jemo matakila na chamchanati mapoligamente pelobu Uganda omiro lwa konyor kede gini woki dora kimolo yup ma bili po chwa matek bene kilugwa kujma pole kaberu mo rumon moko chika beru mo kene yodini machero kono lichake icheng baraja diwo a George Pawanluo television ki Kampala Fred Kajubi oberutie kuno enkil report ko makodana makara pa pidore kidong jemo ikom lokom chamchana ikomod mokochek melobo Uganda. Tini kayo ikabero machok yot moko chek ma Uganda ne neno kitma bili kidong lugwa kujmo ken go beru kwedi kabero duju machere gero man weng no timo pong makigeyo woko pingole palwak ikina yo beru gudi me Parliament Avenue Said Beya Avenue Kimathi Avenue kidong King George Street ikin gudi mokene madon machero nyoben te chok yot moko chek melobo Uganda. Kariben gekero abili mapol kilugwa kuj mokene kaberu melo jemo gudi yere gutiara wachoke National Theatre mano konti chok tolion moko chek melo man gutinyo jema pol magicho ye karatach manyone pekiti chwako kulu timme chamchana.
Corruption stop! Stop corruption stop! Stop corruption stop! Stop corruption stop! Corruption stop! Stop 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 corruption down! Design!
Abilio mago apa ikingin kamukene guriyo woko kaka ben magin geter kiki moroka eno jemo ken go meta mere kinyuro kon chwe chungi kariwe wang moroka mano gimago gin dongiti yene.
Among must resign. Speaker must resign.
Tuyamba kwa John Museveni kulwanyisa
Chino chechi
Karibet komeno pinye futie manyuer nyati matek dok bene moro kapa pili futika wore kin pinye lwek kimony menene ping timo piemot dak particular geomeken matie itigudi chokiot moko chik milobo man. Kanibet komeno MPs mokene go nyoro kon igipe yume kom ket mapenya tikwere ni eno matini gulego ni mono jamagedike jema ne mieke weko meta nyim nyim nyoto lok magetikwere kikut labon kit wo maiken gudor kimolo menyoto tampa nyole Uganda ikom jema tikatime gamente papati enarem kitela matikwere kariman ikine bene tich pa ot moko chik melobo Uganda.
Ichawa eni iwapiyom Kid mai chane gitika teka kwere police ka weng igudi kany. Don wan machalo members of parliament kay worry kamo gwaini yo kany giloro. Kamo gwai yo kany giloro. Pa ngeo pingo police mamekwa ka chel giskirte mi Uganda. Giluo luoro makonye bere pere. Ka enen dano gimiero dora da monyi eni weng dano ngolo gi yo mapat pika magiti yene. Chi giwek balo chente gwek balo chende muchoro palwak le eni chende muchoro mamekwa eni gitika tikwere mi chulo police mi chulo chende me wilo tear gas me wilo rachaj me wilo mudu.
The observation of course are of a tense situation around the city center, around the parliament, you see, but all of it just tantamount to what I would term as using a sledgehammer to kill a fly. You don't need a sledgehammer to kill a fly. There is no need to do all these deployments which we are seeing all over the city. I found some of them up as far as Nakawa. What for?
Constitutional right to demonstrate, and I want to appreciate the youths for coming out vividly to demand for their 9 key objectives. They have demanded that some of the people that have been cited in corruption tendencies should resign. Number 2, they are demanding that members of parliament should reduce their salaries. 3, they have also demanded that the number of members of parliament should be reduced. And those are pertinent issues that we should address. Today, there has been a lot of fear.
Pewanluo television ke Kampala, Fred Kajubi. Lote dayaro makaro gin mapola tai guluseti gupako matek to tampal telo Uganda man President Yoweri Museveni mekati ati kalonyi kom chamchana ilobo Uganda. Lote dayaro magi mapola ti yemon cholo tela kamati kino tela teko argulo matek ni mono man perwate ento merkiti kachil melonyi kom chamchana pia ni mono lok melonyo chakela jen kuno chamchana me matek ikin anyoli Uganda. Luako weni mono chamchana tikir konji mapola kamiti rebo ching niki weke tiek luen man wek dano chak nango jeme ngomero kuno keyboard gamente lebo ko onyo kwa limpa lwa kit ma dano mkana timu kwere magiti office mapapati gamente palobo mani la George Pawanluo television David Magere birka lokel wak mai gulu city kom yubman en yare report mamege kombeti yub meloga ngemo chwin.
Idwe ma beach kidwe ma bichel memwarman President me Uganda Yoweri Museveni kagota o elulweny matek tutwali lokum cham chane loboman machalo yu achiel me jwayo kabedo mogo matim me cham chano donye matek tutwal my offices mapap my kingitie offices mapapat ministries mapapat ma en neno ni tie ka balo don lobo me Uganda kadi bet kid meno kono dano me gulu city gunyuru tamgi ikum katipa President mani lwenye kum chamchana kun jumu kene tamoni endo katila chien piani tim me chamchana Uganda uchake wachona dada. Patrick Kumakech tie won koma dek me patiro sub-county Igulu district. En nerne tie ni duldong tima pola tama teka lwenye kum chamchana enta duki nepe tie ka nen.
Chamchana merutik kawani way. Pekam aner ene. Kikero dule ma pol le kum chamchana ento a documenti ki petika nen to toal kenen mo tiki dul ma dir ma no IGG ma ene ye janga mente ma dir ma no le kum chamchana pati pa IGG kenen mo chamchana meta watiki auditor general ma gen tiki ma ene petiki balo di mo ka ken eno kum tie ba di dule ne furi no ne chamchana meta ko be kenen mo watiki ken ma ga meta ko ro at the state house anti corruption when no ni chamchana meta atamune miri melwenye kum chamchana o miro beri miri ma dane wen kwanja gina perete kala de lo ko be kata ke nenu ni chamchana ende rabu ker da dule moma ko be ni nenu lo ko choxo mu chor da ko kerro eto ngan mo ki kerro be ke nen mo tiki le furu ki baw moma lo ko chamchana ko ma ti ko
Michael Owen Mathieu la tedero me library ward I ba de la yibi division Gulu City kono tero ni
dano kunyone dong peti atich pelwa ngara che dong te atich pi iye maka yene nano bolle ko minister chen manu chung pe karamoja magi miu bare ma eno yo kono chung matek ni gene miano o pot jumango juma mier gino o bot ke ena ye da ko lak timo gene eno ni chiwatin chala ana pe ene pa nyang ni la minister ne ke mao yo ke pe
ki yung chel kono Daisy la Carabe mati dano me tegwana word ila ro peje division Gulu City kono nero ne tieni
aneno we lwen magi kate kere kom karni pe raju twal bat ki pola tia ki polate
no we waju kumeno
you know we ga waye kaman watie ki lu tela mugu madai malu tela oni gibini karmi bolo kadongu nene karmi bolo pido tito dongi tuto kadongu tu nyogi meren kui pa wane take kui karmi tak kitani wa
Wan Luo TV ulor ke Sheikh Musa Kelil Mathieu Regional Assistant Mufti pi Northern Region
Maluke ki Kampala dit President me Uganda Yoweri Museveni Kaguta anatamune meno atiki chwak itameni matek totwal Pien la dit obedo ka loeng eten ngene loeng ki corruption peyot en no dul monya chel metika kemeket gi ni frontline gine dong ngolo ka ngej kuma en dok ki cher kamiyo jemi bora dui ma ene corruption mano we ma dong la dit president don't know dong ministers kono ini member of speaker me parliament kono ina ngagi weng I corruption mi bari mi moroto o yabu wang la dit lo
lok angeya I Wan Luo TV David Magere I Gulu City
Majalo yo achel me ilo ke erme kwan palotino wa kutek bene kwan gidul maklwani Monastraight Talk Foundation gutielo ko gen gidul muka ene mechawak me yo fonyi loko malala me kombolo tien kwan mapole ken lotien kwan Maya Watch Primary School ngeno le magang kwan mene kono ket mayop manti word kwede kamben la uya lo fonyi me gang kwan man o wane mono yo penti gwaro tien mapole gang kwan pen geni yang la me kom dok man perio wa ko gi perio me char kabala kwan geni wo kirwate chone bornyo bene yaju mono tima pole karmo karanya chikeno teno kwan Maya Watch Primary School Maya Watch Sub-County Igulu District Ikar Meliman la George Pawan Luo TV Jonisani Uchaga John Oboro Kidul Magi en yeri matut ngomo time ikomfo luteno kwan niko malala mekom Maya Watch Primary School
Neno ni luteno gung'eyo kit medo kumgi tigien mabe maromo weko anyimgi chung mati dokikeru kumgi ikonyo luwerigi wek bene guwot ka achiel Joyce Oke utim la wilu fwenye Maya Watch Primary School Igulu District utero ni gifwenye utieno meng'iyo aloga kumgi kon gitiyo kiloga tie kama leng weko lutieno magu weko kwan gitiye kaduogo igang kwan ka kwan
We encourage the children to come back to school after maybe they have delivered, mostly the girls. And even the boys, some of them drop out of school because of financial problems. But we still encourage them to come back to school. We tell them ways of how they can manage to pay their fees so that they can also move ahead. So that is how we are encouraging them. We are doing campaign to the children so that they also come back to school and resume their studies, their normal studies. We also teach these learners the causes and prevention of STIs. And this is normally done through meetings with the boys and the girls. And normally for us here, when we do the meetings, we separate boys and the girls.
Lutino beno miyo cha den ni beru idul ma antie ka konyogi e kit me kwan wek ube bene miyo tam kia nyira kit ma Kenneth McMord latin me kilacha bichiel wajo kany.
I also say we have good learning environment, friendly teachers. Wow. We also have disciplined children. I would also like to tell you that we have also school clubs, such as debating clubs. We have football matches. We also have young talk clubs.
Passion Gloria Babire bulu matiu ki dud me make way magitielu kuot ka chel ki straight talk I jae me gulu wajoni yo man tie me konyo rocho kuo pa bulu neno ni anyim gi uber mabe ki yot kom.
We realize that some of the services are not so disability inclusive, like we don't have interpreters at these health service centers. We want the youth who are socially left behind, like youth with disabilities, to easily access this information at the same level as other youth without feeling left behind or segregated or discriminated. We would also talk about capacity building for the health workers. We would like them to understand the various needs for youth in general. We want them to handle the youth very well according to their various needs. For example, the youth with disabilities should be handled with care. We could talk about the adjustable beds for persons with physical impairment, and I realized that we have very many ramps, and this is something very good at the health center, and it will help persons with disability access this information and services easily.
Alfred Lutwa la rod gain kwan igulu district unyuruni chukul mapol gitiki pero ilok meneno kwan palotiano mamero ni lunyuru miero kifongi wegunge dogo korigi.
When we come for inspection in particular, we interact with the learners. I think they interacted very well. The boys don't harass the girls when they're menstruating, and the girls do the same to boys when they actually face a challenge, of course, in life. So I think the two six that move well, that work together. I want to appreciate the straight up so much for helping them. Then, of course, the school has got a lot of challenges. You know, what we have in most government schools, we have problems. And when you see a development partner comes like this one here, we always request, because you do a lot on behalf of the government. So please, we are the place to request. Let us train our teachers. Let us train the community. We have what we call the community dialogue. Dialogue is doing a lot of great job, by the way, in our community. So if we can also bring in that program of community dialogue, we talk to the parents. They learn to know what they're supposed. Because a good number of them, they have the ability to support their children, but they don't want to support it, and if they're able. She talked about buying only one sanitary pad of 3,000 shillings, but I find a gentleman drinks 4 bottles of beer in a day, or 5 in a day. How much money is that?
Kadong megusaron bal moi la ke la meva me od moko chik madaro piluak me gulu district oteroni man tie metiello ko fonye paluteno.
Ajime weng mo yele ye ko yele ni me okela la. So nana tiene what any obokela la. Development partners money pay one game shell maybe an kan. They're already having implementing activities. Ajime no getite mone I orieri ki igankwan ki bot bulu ma getite dero. Ti uf training dano no facilitators no lo fonye madaki training no ge leo tam ki bulu kabir mapari pokon kabir tie gumi wacha den kira la ti kongi ya watch kan gumi wacha den ngin ma ya yom enani tie ki space ono tie admo a health center magi creating magi loni youth friendly space ono kabir mabulu kamo chier gi lo yeki doctor ilo memong
tuteni tie me weko latino nge kid makume don kwede dogman tie me konyo lutino yu menge yu alaga komgi yu maopore ka chel kiluwot gi Piwan Luo TV Johnny Sani Ochaka Chon Igulu District.
Minister Matiri pilwak mai kumalome Uganda uchiro luak mai ya chulme weko matak lo kombolo kuyatata boni ya ngoma lo timendu pigin kibene ke arpal telamani manufut pia gichwale office mula ko padan metedero ni woki kelo don lobo Dr. Kenneth Omona wani mondana pul gichwale office ento pigara matim gen ma ken mula ko palo kelo yupo gurnyo beno timje mo ken makelo don lobo kwak penen ngin beri telama pat eno ber kalok bor lutela ke dong luak mago beruti ka choke mautime Igulu City la Georgea Ismail Jacob Jones ayo bukelo boten Lokman Matut.
Dr. Kenneth Omona Minister Matiri Maloy ko malama Uganda wajuni neno palotela dong miro lakke kom karaman madit tutwal
Uganda that all of you please this time make it a political issue that any leader who does not tell you how to make wealth, how to make money, how to improve yourselves in your households, in your communities, please don't vote them. From President Museveni to the top, leadership is about changing you. They also exist. But these are which have voted. You have a choice to vote or not to vote. So if President Museveni ever comes to your village and spends the entire hour without talking about wealth creation, you say, Mr. President, Omwana Umu said here, say that if you don't tell us this, then your speech is incomplete. And the same to other leaders in the churches, religious leaders, cultural leaders. Please, when you go to the church and the bishop preaches, he doesn't mention anything about livelihood, about how you can live better. Wajini la point, you will get a check. You put your local coach, you put your local note, and to pay what you look for.
En wajuni kache nen la tela ma peramo lok gin makelo lok ko padana ma en telo chio miro wekara ki jomo kene
undwa uma ke chulikan please lonyo peno la video jame wen kitia oke chunyo ikuj matieni lonyo ma la chutimi u lonyo mi ngom tiki kon tiki litino mondo tik matek ningo pedo ke duetu ngom tik matek boko dong lonyo kingek manyien mambini kinwo maket kimawaneno ne
Minister beno chiko matek tutan lutit makichoegi mechiar kamiyo kon kilufu magiti kin pajo i region me acholim ikar me lor yup me nyoto jeme me fu ki chato will ki dieba me gankwan guru university Dr. Mona wajini gamente dong utiako timu Jimmy Mapol maikine kelo kuj getu gudi kidong pene odi kwan tak pene gen maudong ene lok melwen ikom chan
the parish chiefs and so on. Those ones I'm also telling you that it is your duty, it is your responsibility, it is part of your job to continuously continue to unpack, expand and spread the vision of leadership of our country. That you must tell our people what they should do with clarity on what they can do to improve their livelihood. If your job does not include this, then you are going to do it elsewhere. Where elsewhere means not the area under my jurisdiction. Poverty makes you grow old very fast. Poverty makes you lose happiness. Poverty makes you not develop. Poverty affects your way of reasoning. Poverty distorts stability of the communities. You can't sleep well, you can't access better education, you can't access good health care when you are poor.
En bene ulimu gankwan gulu university tutwale faculty maneno do kumfu kama kumkane kitika biu pik nyikien iyem kitungchen Beatrice Akelo Matiela Lopko won kom malo yupman ikarme lor yupman wajani wiyo chung tutwal pingolufu mapol pegu tiu ki karaman me bieno kano ngej lok mabako lokom dir me pu
watamo no ni dano alip ki alip bi onye ento bi jami mogo mo bedo katime weko wanero ni to wano wel dano enoni na chiel waloko kabedo me yupe eni wa mero mini fony wek wiu yape inen ngoma wi lobo tika timone idoke kop gine enoni bene paje so waka mabino ni bien no watie weko be dit loyen waka ni eni
yup man me nyoto jime me fu mau ter ni na bichi okelo dano ma kiti ki jime mamago lok kum fu ma pat mago a kip vot ka ben ma pat me lobo man makaro gen mia deng pe Wanluo TV Igulu City and Ismail Jacob Jones.
A final report Kibut Ismail. Kawadire wachero ilango ki ya pat lutino kwan kidong nyoro kilofone maye olek Alekolil Primary School mati buje sub county ya pat district ipe yompien ke magirgi woko kiben la fona chilmu kene en migankwani RDC me ya pat la konkor kidong la chagawi ya bilini ndo pa me dwemi ya biro eni ngoma wagairi migankwan man Mr. Okao Alfred kilafone mu kene onapa Joseph wenki gankwane kana makuli mugankwana tura itwalegeti gang tit pabili maditi mi apake mor ko kom gen nyaro office kiben ti charo megwa office meke choy kono kone number file ti pierangwen apa abiro alibre piru wangwen make choy kom gen atene gone geni police bon and forgetika wiere kono kanene ke goyo report bot abili journal dokot la konko RDC me apacho wani mono ke magala fony man ke kila iri mameke piene peti jema pol megwa rotiano kwani gankwani kina chiluti matek igangkwani Alekolil Primary School kikono Jasper Igwel aye olobo kolok eni pilo rangi mochuin
Onyal kere otala me Alekolil Primary School amati gomale boye ya pa district tiame po yen kere tialo ame officer RDC ma pa okwanyo kon mahaye aidi ma Alekolil Primary me da ponyere e ka ra chungo ko ya ngicha ma chipie sapat ngini ndo apar me do ma biro RDC ma pa bino berke kare me chor di school man atura kaname ote berke kare me makaidi Alfred Okao me da ponyere Joseph Onapa me bwoko kom lengo mano te me yo jomagi berke kare me wor ka GPS ma pa mako jomagi kono kare me dongo twala gi GPS ma pa bino berke kare me yimu ado tama bar le mononi neglect of duty mane yonge obembe magi ichor school Joseph Onapa mo bera punya chel ame bwoko kom sanitation dogdang bino berke kare me make en kono tiro ngo me otimere
now yugi no obedo ri saya mau dino kan ya kot tengon le kweo kot dan korongole du kalo ko ma na ko en ni so ya ko 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 do du joba me do korto ko te podu yugi ka me da pe waere do e process ame do ngata me nyoko wange dikuni jo te bino
Priska Wora mo bedo ruot piutin kwan me school man
so ni da tena yo pudino so ni yo panje ya hen budino
acho aidi Alfred Okao te tito kitame amahaman tiamo balo kede wie
anda ko bigia ko binao kai ni ngiu mot an chabi to karo o mena yuti amo tawa mo lunge pa bed school ichio piro te ratina da kala me ko pana nasi ichiari ya wora mo pe ichia deka winu nga woni inu woni ye office ame yuti apo ku penni da penu wona ko ame gino kenda ti yo ngo ana pengo ape yu ngeshi amane ni one kano ti credit masters rio be manu dit master ena ngo eno failing tigi mera rao me timo kurigin then for da ko binao chane wana wo pero ko kede sanitation master dan kita me ota ma kede no heke bono mo mi ano no be me week to ya nyin
Tia ruchu gati abal poin ba ma hejo tera poin wa ko ber wani inine no eno to missing wani ko chepoto kwan wani amenu missing wani gina polata
acho Jimmy Opio mo bere lob won kom my school management committee en kono dang otirni manano amahaman pedong tiame o yomo yigi atwali
pe o yomo wano tera ro nyal duchu wano ngia be dano ka tikere goro o loko ke to yubo kana goro tiye ento nyal ke tera be ke wu menu ni ka iri ni sokao o ma ko dang to la ka pai twal memuna ko ga me ma pa ji ni wangoro ka woro kanoro etigino eno nio ponyera be bajo me kero pin lokigi kala gamende ko ko tidang ko mono pia ta fal
aidi ma Alekolil Primary School Alfred Okao me kom karman podumio police bon kun miteni mano mir bede mir mede ke go report GPS ma pa kai kweda medical me konkor RDC ma pa Jonal Okot en kono ilokere kere o chamut ti chengario ya pa chen kono berke kare meti to tien kopango o miyo gi o berke kare me maka ediman
itunu wana beo onu chukultie tu jebere loki pobero kuneme jo akwo nyo tina yot no ponyere ye yeri teni chawa no turu no jura kworo akworo soya bean pok soya bean mo dino utiu yido ta wango yire meda dunya du idom apu ma ya soya bean ja kworo te do classes utin kwande class tati mo pen o wore dormitory jomo tielo ke leke bura pono pe leke na jo don buriye ibini jokon punni jo pito punni nge jokon kwena jo teriye now kai wure changato nyira yari titeni umege na kunene nene wangu penene changati unyuak kwena jo lokere yetu unyuak abaramo kereme covering changat tiyo ke kara ko duche medano na atina nyako tialo ok yaro chigi kidomo wobe so mio aradisi kwanyukane pe ko wana wore nyurli pedi nge ngome tim te mare bedo nyar dokti krinyo ku yati chemeriti abuse of office and negligence of duty because jemini diko na layer chini tie nyal cholo school fees chini tie gemede chwale chikule ni ngodo rem mek me kajo yibu changeta chil le metin kwaro lo kare
aidio kao en kone utatito ni manano kada bedi dongo mahe ento ginna mo mahe yeni pe karo don lo bapol la me ene yelle itami chakunen school man
ente kala tunu kani mo hanu yu kome chakunen first grade na khachawani tanu first grade consecutively wane kana re ho opu ka penyera opa na kana lo lori ching primary school ene teacher take ma tiu de miyo wan cha ko bin pen dong ala le primary school kan yo ala ye winyu gina ta ko bo de mi gi tim gon fundraising in 2019 then ngata mo loni honorable Betty ngola hat mi wa ubare ende go yu ko yo medical office ame ana bedi e chawani ina loki wanti ke computers ti laptop partiel tikere desktop gina rio utikere printers ario utikere photocopiers achiel utikere projector achiel ina loki wanti go yu pay school kando then gino kene ama bino tanu ngudu put pay atwal ubedu pi in the yele tek government de ye winu do te bin tuchi ba pi anu ot puonye pata puonti achiel na kenda me ogero ameti pamnet etena loki tikera bich da medi monta beda bichel ikana bino te kubekere jo me live line jonte bini ye kwacha da yen jonte bino gero lantin tidoga pa mega wobe bich na nyera da bich
P1 Low Television, Jaspagwell, Iapach District.
Ilogangea mamaro biashara lumemba me odmoko chik matiti komiti maklone mon ko sasa gun Caroliera Matek ikumdo diro me Uganda Development Corporation pe yera campaign magen koni kachego pore pero melim ilobo Uganda lok mono katiko ni kar magolimu komiti mani ching barja kaneno matut ngomir gi tim wekenen kiet mechero biashara madongo pa begini madota waki Uganda kan kono kimero kony melim kibod gamente melobo Uganda wanen kong report me biashara Igara mika choke kilo diro me Uganda Development Corporation UDC giano tiarka chel kilo tela me Nile Hotel International Limited kabene luoro pa MP soberutie pingo kimiu chilling bilo na pau ya chel bot dul me Igongo Country Hotel and Cultural Center makono ngularo company man ki ya char mapol mauno gubuno Onkome ko sase medat segona openyo kono pingo campaign mapol magiti chemical ki ping marache lokom lim pekiti mi bod gilim kun gamente tika mi bod jomo keno mi ono pokunong liman piene gin magiti umpilo man tie matiri titwal
which has been struggling. Protea, we have two hotels, Protea in Kololo and Skies in Naguru. Someone is mentioning Africana. I don't think Africana is struggling, has been struggling. Yes. And your strategic objective or focus was to rush to Igongo and save that because you're trying to bail out this industry. How come those hotels have not attracted your attention and focus? And you went for Igongo. And by the way, for the record, for Igongo, I am very happy to have it saved because of what it is, but also the strategic orientation of the founders. It makes sense. But what is your policy? Other than a presidential directive, what is your policy? And can you share with us?
Komiti man gochako bedo kiluori kar ma Joseph Barunji matie general manager me Nile Hotel owaro lok ni mono kimiyu kono lim man malupe ki ruk tama ke bod President Yoweri Museveni.
Obviously, it's not in our policy to bail out hotels. Our strategic direction right now is we are looking at green fields where the private sector probably is not putting an eye. That's where our strategic direction is at the moment. And so we are carrying out some feasibility studies to ensure that we complement what the private sector is doing. That's our strategic policy.
Lo member me committee ni go ni mon pege yen kilok man dok igipe yo men yang ni mono la bon kwet mo ke ken UDC te kam yu limbot campaign mo ken pa wegine madon me ka paro pe jo mo ken mo pigi tego ami ono gunong lim ki bod gamente me Uganda.
He mentioned that they can either go into partnership or start afresh. So it would be good to know, the criteria for the partnership. Must I be somebody? Must I be somewhere there? Supposing nobody knows me at all and I have the resources, I can actually partner with you. So how do I catch your eye? Those things.
Ekar mga kwero matut bane kinoni mono dul me Nile Hotel International Limited makono gitika doro kono hotel pagamente makloni Serena Hotel peke ticket lock meken nyoneno matut ikom yo menyayo lim. Mede komeno bene Serena Hotel food piyati ki kero medwako lima gitiyu ni kom kel donlo mukeni ki ben rocho kabero man peguti moket yup meken mekel donlo ki ben rocho kabero mekelo ni conference center maperwate kono ki mok magikero ye pimwaka pia deku ya beach medor kabero man matie pagamente melogo Uganda ni Beloga ngay mo chuinyot moko chek melogo man ne Fred Kajubi. Welcome to President Mefufa Man Moses Magogo Hashimo miyotam kilo dear welcome to ya chuli meka chao kono tim mati palwak man tim megwe udilo ena wani mono chone kat kitaman entolwak po jolo kunelo dear mapol giti ya chuli kilo toko mabejo umer kichak timo bokonya matek dongo toko dilo palwak ya chuli mabene go bokonya matek ena wani mono pol kanel pro dear welcome to ya chuli tilo komu chwalo club ma bochero itoko me Uganda Premier League kene to kungaramo dongo toko dilo mukan part manogi kero team madluaka yocha okite dero enolimo ko malum Uganda kama Jackson Kitaro birti yekuno en obukelewa report matuti lokomto
Iloke ikarmer warre kilutela timu dilo matie katoro i division me adek angwen kia beach mai ia sholi ien hotel igulu city magogo wayni achuli yerbet ki timu dilo machung ikon palwa.
When we initiated and conceptualized the idea of the FUFA drum, our bigger dream was to create community football clubs in the areas where this is embraced. And we can see that the FUFA drum was being embraced here. We believe that for us to be able to have clubs that are geographical, financially stable, they need to be community owned. And that's an idea we sold to the people of Acholi. We made some significant steps, including identifying even a club at the level of the regional league, so that growth is organic. But the people we're engaging with thought that probably would start automatically in the Premier League. Now, you cannot start in the Premier League because the costs involved. You need to firstly mobilize and stabilize your management for you to be able to finance and support the club by the community. So at the moment, I think their dream was about starting from the top. And ours was we must start from the regional league and grow organically, mobilize people. We even thought about having fans clubs in the 8 districts that form Acholi, the Agago Fans Club, the Lamo, the Noya.
Mary Wakoraj won kom maloyo toro dilo igulu wayo tame ikomplant pa magogo man.
Wan macha kanyo wa ripe wati ukede ni wa yebu ki 3rd division mabe futik malo ni. Pekena kama tidi lo di 5th division wa supporting kime wa made fan base madwong wa ko support kede wa 3rd division kama wa yap ke be mer chende mabu football pe ken.
Moses Ruba kene won kom maloyo toro dilo ikitgum district wayo gien ma miero ki team
ka wa miro team achiel ma achule wen yung ngegi ken lokni achule wen miero gi chat lok ni body ka loko kombedi ineno o ma hodano mo kene ki ngang pien kit ma jemne tika time kere no tuak achule mo kene pe tiki ngi manyuti ka wachako club yani miero team mo bet ka ward itwa achule wen meneno category pa achule wen kono lutela tekwaro kono lu wibie kono bulu kono mege category wen me charo gini bodgi wego wil pien gina ye kiromo chuinge miero obet gin ma achule wen kit ma wachako chwako ke drum district wen waneno kit me bake me neno ni team ene dong team wa district wen waneno kit me jogo lim
en wayo ni meta ni ludiero riptamgi ing'iyo lutoro mabeyo
waromo tich ki ludiero turo mati district me achule me team identifying talent ma wayni talent mabe bage tapping maloyo ki district ki kelewa kany tikawa yo talent mabe no wenka chiel ti talent ini romo piem mabe pien kapod wayni wabi bero ki team achule ento an bene ki kidgu matiki mega matika piem ni wanga mega ni yo chero amoro kidgu ke lo wabi poro kin diero tilo diero eni ka wapo kin gio kere dong wachet kuya jomo kere bino ki chen goy wa
pilok angea metoro Iwan Luo TV and Jackson Kitara Igulu City.
Okelwa ya gike milorange mochunyi echiario matin ania sande akumkuo binwe lorange mandiri chawario modeko nyim yup merupintin ema akwero kachel kisara dong ania sande akumu metekine no One Luo Television.